Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use completely free AI tools to create unlimited videos with no watermark and any form of restriction. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and like this video. This way the channel will grow more and we will create more useful content. Without further ado, let's get into it. The AI tool we'll be using for this video is ChatGPT. However, you can go ahead and use other AI tools like Gemini and the others. Go to google.com and type ChatGPT. Here, click on ChatGPT. While on ChatGPT, let's type this prompt. We gave ChatGPT a prompt: write a 40-second story of animals celebrating in the swimming pool. And here is what ChatGPT gave us. On a hot summer day, the jungle animals gathered around the crystal clear swimming pool. Now that ChatGPT gave us the storyline that we need, the next thing to do is we're going to instruct ChatGPT to divide the stories into prompts that will enable us to generate images in an AI software. So here we say divide the stories into prompts to generate images for the story with consistency of character and location. So you can see this AI tool just gave us different prompts that we can use. Still generating the jungle pool scene, a vibrant jungle with a large, you can see elephants slashing joyfully, monkeys diving playfully, parrots, all of that. So you can see ChatGPT just gave us 6 prompts. Now that we have succeeded in generating the prompt that is needed, the next tool we need is Meta AI. Let's go to Google again, google.com. Here we type Meta AI. When it comes here, then click on it and then click on Meta AI to open it. So if you are using it for the first time, Meta AI, first of all, they prefer that you sign up, before you start using it. So here in Meta AI, we will now start copying all the prompts one after the other and then paste it for Meta AI to generate the images that we need. So let me do that. Now you can see the AI just generated beautiful images for our videos. So this is just the first prompt. So we will continue, and copy the other prompts and paste as well. So you can see we have succeeded in generating clean, stunning, beautiful images using this AI tool. Remember, we are creating videos, not just images. The next thing to do here is to click animate. Wow, this is beautiful. Animation has been applied to it. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing to all the images. So the next thing to do is to download all the images. So let's go ahead and download. So point the mouse to the image, click this 3 dots on the picture, and then you see the option to download. So go ahead and download. So let's download everything. Our download is now complete. The next thing we need now is voiceover. To do that, we will need to convert all this text into voice. The tool that we'll be using for our voiceover is called 11 Labs. So to use 11 Labs, go to Google again and then type 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the best text-to-speech AI voice generator. As you can see, the starter package is $4.17 per month, and then the creator package is $18.33 and all of that. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll be relying on the free version. So this free version is for individuals who want to try out the most advanced AI audio. So it comes with certain benefits like 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech per month, 2.5 hours of speech to text in 99 language via API per month, 15 minutes of conversational AI with up to 4 concurrent requests, and a host of them. To use the free account, you need to come here and click get started. From there, you'll be required to sign up. However, I already signed up with 11 labs. Go to text to speech, click on it. While you're on text to speech, copy the prompt that we generated earlier using ChatGPT. So let's copy one after the other. Copy this, come here, paste the prompt. When you paste the prompt here, you can select different voices. Okay, first you can come to voice over here, and then there are different voices here that you can select from. So if you want to hear how it sounds, you can play. Nature is a mutable cloud which is always and never the same. So let's try one more. Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do. So you can go ahead and check out the voices, and then you pick the one that you prefer. Next is to scroll down here. You can select the speed, and then you also have similarity. Adjust it the way you want it to sound. If you want speaker boost, you can check it as well. When you are done, under here you can see we have 10,000 credit available for the month, and then here you have, out of the 5,000 characters that we're allowed to use, this prompt we just posted has 346. So let's go ahead and generate this. After generating, you can play it to hear how it sounds. Jungle with a large crystal. Come over here, you see a button that says download latest, so click on the download. We just downloaded the first one, so let's go ahead and copy all the other prompts and generate voiceover for them as well. Now that we generated voiceover for our clip, when creating faceless videos, it's important to add background music. There are different ways to get background music. The best one is to use YouTube audio library. There you will find copyright-free music that you can use. Do not just go anywhere and just get music clips and then use as background. We are using an AI tool to create our background music. To do that, let's go back to ChatGPT, and then here we'll type this prompt. So I just gave it a prompt, and the prompt is, can you give me a simple prompt that I can use to generate background music on Suno AI? And then I hit enter. I'll copy this prompt that I just got from ChatGPT, and let's go to Google again. Here on Google, we will type Suno AI. Select Suno AI. So I just created an account with Suno. So let's go ahead and create a background music. So I'll copy the prompt that was created in ChatGPT. And then here we go. Here, song description. This is the place where we will paste our prompt. It will create 2 clips. You can choose one of them. So let's click create. 2 clips are being processed. As you can see, our clips just got created. So let's play. Let's go ahead and download one of them. So I will download the second one instead. Here you will see a 3 dot just under the music over here. Point to it and then point to download, and then select. We are not interested in video. The one we are interested in is the MP3 audio. So click on it, and then it's going to download. The final step is to compile all our videos. To do that, we are going to use a tool called CapCut. CapCut is a free tool that you can use to edit your videos. So let's go ahead and launch CapCut. Then click create project. Then we'll go to import. Here on import, we will come here and highlight all our clips. After highlighting all our clips, and then click open. Now that we imported our clips, The next thing to do is to drag the clips to our timeline. However, first I want to uncheck the background music so it's not added. So I will now drag them to the timeline here. So let's go ahead and zoom it a bit. On the timeline, you can see that the voiceover is longer than the number of video clips that we have here. So what we can do is let's drag some more clips and add to this place. So that is how we can arrange our clips and then the voiceover. Feel free, you can adjust it the way you want. Now that we inserted all our clips on the timeline, let's go ahead and play and hear how it sounds here.
Vibrant jungle with a large crystal clear swimming pool in
Having a video that is faceless without a background music, it just lacks that beauty. So let's go ahead and include the background music. So here I come, drag it. So when placing background music, it should always be below the voiceover. So let's place it here, and then when you move to the right, you notice that the background music is longer. So what we'll do is that we'll drag the playhead and place it right here. And then the next thing we'll do is to cut this background music so that everything is aligned. So next, click on the background music. There is a arrow here that says delete right. Let's go ahead and play it and hear how it sounds.
a vibrant jungle with a large crystal clear.
Of course, it's unacceptable because the background music should not overshadow the voiceover. So click the background music to reduce the volume, then come to make sure basic is selected here, then drag the volume to the left, and then let's play it again.
Swimming pool in the center, lush green trees.
That is how you can create unlimited video using AI tool. I'd like you to drop a comment on this video. Let me know what you think. How was it? Was it easy? Is it a complex process? Let me know. Also remember to subscribe and hit that like button. That way this channel will grow and will continue to provide more valuable video for you. See you in the next video.